everyone. My name is Nara Singh. I study in KGF. Today I'll talk about my favorite vehicle. It's an aeroplane. One of the greatest inventions of mankind is undoubtedly the aeroplane. Aeroplanes are man-made aircrafts with wings which can fly all around the world against gravity. There are different types of aeroplanes like passenger planes, cargo flights, jet planes, fighter jets, etc. The place where we board and deboard the aeroplane is called the airport. The person who flies the aeroplane is called the pilot. Now let me tell you the parts of an aeroplane. This is the cockpit where the pilot sits. This is the cabin where passengers sit. This is the nose. This is the tail which gives direction to the aeroplane. This is the jet engine which pushes the aeroplane, and these are the wings which lift the aeroplane up in the sky and keeps it gliding. My favorite vehicle is an aeroplane because it offers the fastest mode of transport and has brought the world closer. You know what I think when I see an aeroplane? Aeroplane, aeroplane up in the sky.